The St. Catherine North Police have uncovered an illegal rum manufacturer in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. As the police intensify their investigations, they're urging customers to look out for illegal products. Sandy Williams reports.
What appeared at first glance to be an ordinary abandoned house turned out to be the nerve center of a thriving underground operation in McVicker's Lane in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. Upon stepping inside the dilapidated structure, the police uncovered an illegal rum distillery in full swing, complete with all the grimy trappings of a high-risk, low-tech production hub. Inside the filthy rooms, compare bottles waiting to be filled with illicit concoctions. Nearby, boxes of corks sat ready to seal the bottles destined for an unsuspecting market. A single battered toilet in one corner served as the rest area, a crude reminder of the long hours spent in this makeshift factory. In the kitchen, a fire roared beneath a large metal drum, but it wasn't food that was cooking, it was something far less savory. A rusty pipeline snaked its way from the boiling drum, threading through a window to connect to cooling drums outside.
Heat is put under that drum, right, along with the substance, and it is processed into droplets of small water as well. The more heat, the more it runs. So it runs some that and then filter it down.
Just beyond the kitchen, towering piles of large storage bottles stood in stark contrast to the house's derelict exterior. Some of these containers held a clear liquid that looks innocent enough, like water, but a simple sniff test by the police told a very different story. The liquid was identified as illegally distilled alcohol, its aroma betraying the quiet facade of the property.
It appears persons are using various means to produce rum that are not according to the regulations. We also see rum bottles and Campari and Real bottles that persons use to the bottle the substance. They are not done in accordance to what the Bureau of Standard or the regulators have to have put in place to treat with these.
No one was arrested in connection with the bust. However, the police are investigating the scope of the operation. Head of the St. Catherine North Police, Superintendent Hopton Nicholson, says the property seems to be a hub for various illegal activities.
I think this particular premises, we discovered some stolen motor vehicle parts here. So we will be getting expert advice and expert help to ensure that when the perpetrators are caught, they are brought to justice.
In the meantime,
our intent is not just to go after the criminals, but to take the profit out of crime. So whether it be stolen motor vehicle, whether it be illegal rum, whether it may be stolen cattle or stolen goats, breeder larceny, or even distribution of gasoline or diesel, whatever it is that criminals are using to earn a living, we're going to ensure that we take the profit out of crime.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.
5